Yo YouTube, what is up? My name is Kevin and today I'll be showing you how to make one of those very cool reverb kicks that you hear in techno tracks these days. So I'm gonna use some standard Ableton plugins and a simple sample, so let's get into it. I created a MIDI channel already. Let's get a small loop going. And let's I like the BPM a bit higher. So let's see, I think I'm gonna go with I think this is pretty chunky. So what you want to do to create that reverb effect is have a return channel with some reverb on it. Just deleted that reverb because it's not in the settings I want it. So this for starters is good. Pre-delay off. Put it all the way to wet because you only want the wet signal. So mix in a bit of that reverb. Might be a bit short. Maybe put it to around 2 seconds. Now for the important part, you need a saturator. Put the drive up. Sounds like a fucking basketball, but that's okay. Use a compressor and duplicate this channel. I'm gonna use this as a trigger for side chaining this signal. So sidechain, trigger as input. Now let's see, let's put the threshold around 16. Guess ratio somewhere around 4. Cut off the higher end because we only want that low rumble. So having some of the top frequencies makes it clearer what you're doing, so mess around with size, for example. What I've been doing lately is switching up the reverb and the saturator. Maybe tweak the attack a little bit. Now, this kick sample is a bit too clicky for my taste, so Let's get some of that muddiness out of there. Maybe just, well, take off the top end entirely. So that's your basic techno reverb kick, I guess. Using just Ableton plugins. You can go crazy with all kinds of simple delays and maybe a bit of distortion. So now that I've shown you the basics, let's just go fuck about with this thing for a while and see if we can create anything more interesting. So I'm not really feeling the sample that we started out with. You know, there's plenty of samples that you can use. Let's see. Let's go with the good old 909. Might be better. This might be a bit much though. Saturator. Usually what I do is put some sort of a master chain on the master channel, so you can, you know, get a bit more of a feeling of energy from the track. I got some basic ozone plugins. I'm really messing up right now. Should be here, and then the effects rack. The newer master, yo. I think there's a stupid equalizer that's, yeah, 3. Let's get the maximizer. Let's see where we're at. This is probably gonna be fucking loud, so we Oh wait, there's a... God, I love the 909 ride. Well, what? Whoa, whoa. There you go, a reverb techno kick with just some Ableton plugins, a 909 kick, some hats, and a ride, and we're done. So if you don't want to make this kick yourself, but you really like it, check out prodetique.com, where I uploaded this very specific sample. I'll put a loop in so you can just grab it, put it in your DAW, and fuck around with it. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.